Right, guys. So today I will be showing you the smart POS system, how to prepare and edit the menu, create new menu, and how to arrange it in the front end here, fast menu. So this is the front end fast menu, how to edit it here. Okay, so first of all, to edit menu and everything, you need to go to the Dynamo. So Dynamo, where to open it, it should be on your desktop. For Dynamo, you double click it, you log in, and you will see this page. This is the main overview page of Dynamo backend. Alright, to edit the post menu, you need to go to the post management. Okay, it might not be here, it might be here or here. So you just look for post management, double click. And for every of the module, most of the time, it will have these 4 boxes. First being setup, and then you have transaction, inquiry, and report. So to create a new thing, it should be at the setup. Double click the setup, and then you see post menu. Alright, you go to look for the post menu. Okay, post menu, you can just open all this, alright? All this, let's just open fast menu. Because smart post backend, at the same time, you can open multiple tabs. So I open post menu, menu category, and then post menu, and then the company system setting. Okay, don't have access, never mind. Alright, so first of all, this is the fast menu. The first thing you need to do is to go to setup post menu category. Okay, for example, I click the add button already, and then now I'm at the new category. So let's say now you need to create a category. You put the ID first. Let's say this one, I make it a rice, and my description here is rice as well. You can put the same. Then you click the save button here. And then if you have more, you just click add button again, and then you do another one as salad. Right? Okay. Then another one, you click add again. Drinks. Okay. Alright. So now you have 3 already. You have 3 category already. So now, what you need to do is, you go to the setup stock here. So this menu 1, 2, 3, 4, right, is the menu that you need to do later on to show it at the front end here. You can show multiple menu. It's like multiple catalog. My menu 1 is a catalog 1, catalog 2. Alright, so let's go back. And now you have category already. Now you can go to system menu again. You need to create. To create item, you go to the inventory module. Alright, you go to the inventory module here. So mine is here, you double click. Similarly, inventory module, when you double click, you have these 4 boxes. So to create a new item, let me go to setup. So setup, you go into the setup already, you click double click the stock. Alright, now I'm on the stock page already, so I do not have anything. The record is 0 of 0. So I go to the plus button, I click plus. Okay. So the first thing is that if you do not have barcode, just simply put anything. Let's say I can put the F01 as well. Or you can put fried rice 01. Okay. Barcode by default will be the same. Description, I can put fried chicken rice. Alright. So this is my fried chicken rice. And the price here. Price you can change. So most of the time you only put at the price 1. You put like, let's say this is 12.9. Alright, 12.9. And that's it. If you, by default, this one depends on what is the costing method for your default one. You can change. So mine usually I remove this one. I click the 3 dot. If I using FIFO, this is important only if you put the cost. If you do not put the cost, it's not important. So another important thing is the grouping here. So we have many layer of grouping for you. You can do at a category or do at a group also. Alright. If you do at a group, you need to remove this NA first. Then only you click the 3 dot. then everything will come up. Because now I haven't created any stock group yet, I can add the record. So let's say this record, I can put rice as well. Okay. This is only for me to easily search for the item later on. This is not something group for you to display it on the post, yeah, to categorize, not. This is for you to search from the back end only. Alright, so my ID and description, I put rice, I save. Okay, then I remove it and I can click the rice, click OK. Okay, got rice ready. I got the ID, the name, the price, 12.9, and the group. That is good enough. If some people want to use as a category, also can. Some people want to group it using all this, also can, but I just use rice for now. Save. Alright, and let's do another rice. I click add again. So this one, another rice. Maybe I call it F02. Stock ID is anything you write. Okay, now is fried sambal rice. Okay, and I put this costing, let's ignore it for now. This one is 9.9. Alright, and then the grouping is also under rice, so I remove the group. I click the three dot. Now the rice is there because I have created it just now. And then you click OK, and then you click save. And just now I have rice, I have what else? I have, let's say, drinks. Alright, drinks. So I click add drinks. I start with D01. Then this one, copy. Okay, and the price is 350. And the group, now I need to create a new group. So it's not rice, it's not NA. I can add. When I add, I create a drinks grouping for it. So how come just now I create category in here, I need to create again? Because this category is for me to put in the front menu, is to categorize. But this one is for me to group in the back end only. Later you will know what you mean. Don't worry, what I mean, don't worry. Save. So now I have drinks grouping already. I double click the drinks and you see it group it here. 350. Correct already. I create another drinks. Click add again. Okay. B02. This is Milo. Okay. And then the price 450. And then grouping, I remove it. Click this one. Drinks, double click. Save. Alright. Okay, now what other category do I have? Let me create two more items before. Okay, drink, salad. Alright, salad. Let's add. Okay, salad. I start from S01. I'm not sure about salad. Fruit salad. Fruit salad. Okay, the price is 13.9. And then the group I remove. I need to add a new group called salad. So this grouping is for me to easily filter later on. If everything you don't want to create group, you put NA, also can. Also can, yeah. Move, choose salad, done. And let me create one more salad. S02. So your stock ID must be different. Veggie salad. 11.9 at the price one here. Group, I remove. If you can type SA, because you know SA, you click enter. Also can, you will have filter the salad already. Save. Alright. So now I have all my item ready. And let's go to menu here. Alright. So this is, hold on. This is my menu. And let me double click. Now I'm at the setup post menu. Yeah, setup post menu. If I'm using menu 01, I can double click. Right? Double click and then you can click here. This is menu 01. You can, this is the whole catalog. So I can change the name. I click the pencil. I change the name. Let's say this is dine-in catalog. Dine-in. Maybe your dine-in and your other catalog is different. Or maybe this is a morning catalog. Okay. I save. So I click this more. After I save, I set the category position on the menu. So this category position on the menu is what you want it to show on the fast menu on the front end here. On the front end here. Now I'm looking for the setting the position of the category. And the next step, we will set the position of the individual item. Okay. So how do I change? I click alternate tab. Then I change to the back end. Alright. So now I click this one. I set the category position first. Now you can see this is exactly like the fast menu on the front end. So how do we do it? Okay, we have page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5. Drinks. Let's say I double click the drinks, I drag it here. I can drag the rice here also. I can drag the salad. Let's say the salad I put in on the page 2. Later I will show you what is the impact. So this is because some people have many category and all you want to put into the menu one only, then you can do like this. Okay, save. Remember this one we do it on the menu 01. Record save already. Now you have already done the position of the category. You click more again. Now we need to do the stock position, meaning the item position. Okay, now you see. Just now my page 1 I have drinks and rice only. Where is my salad? Is on the page 2. If I am here, I click 2. You will see my salad here. Okay, let's go back to 1. So drinks and rice. And here you need to call out all the item. If you do not categorize just now using the grouping, then you just filter NA. What we use just now is the group. So I click stock group. Some people you can, if you have you do brand, you do category, you can click. Just now we use stock group and the value with all this. If all the items you by default you choose NA, then everything will come out. Then it will be very messy. For example, now I want to do drinks. I click drinks. Then I click generate. Then only drinks will come out. Then you can pull. You can click this one, this button. Everything come to drinks. Then you can arrange how you want. I drag. You can drag this. Put here also can. Alright, it's done already. Then you click rice. Now I'm doing for rice, and then I change this one to rice. Rice generate, and then you can put rice here. Okay. You arrange how you want. This one I want to put it like this. Then we go to page number 2 category salad. You have salad, then you choose your salad item. Generate. Okay. Then I just put both things here. Done already. You click the save at the bottom right. Save. Okay. Done already. Now you can see that your menu is on the front end already. But of course, it will take time to like 10 to 20 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes to sync to the front end. So for me to force sync, what I do is I go to here. We have a socket for client socket. Okay, Dynamo client socket. It looks like this. I right click. I click show. I force it to sync now from the back end to the front end. I'm on this page. I click command center. Then I just process all. Click again. Process all download and process all upload. You wait for about 10 seconds. And then when you go to your front end, you just log in again. Right? 1, 2, 3. Log in. If not, then you just exit the whole software and then you log in again. Then you will see that your menu is on the front end already. This one close. So if I haven't seen that, meaning I need to close everything. I click exit, I log out, then I close again. Okay. Then I reopen my F&B post, double click. Alright, so it takes time to sync to the front end. Usually it's within 1 minute. After you click you force the synchronization. Alright. Log in. Hold on, something I haven't done. After you do the menu position, category position, and stock position, you need to go to the fast menu selection. because the POS system do not know what catalog you want to put. You can put multiple catalog on the front end one. So now I go to the fast selection menu. I click this one, 3 dot. I call out the morning menu. Alright. Then you can click tab, location ID, you click this one, it's only HQ if you are standalone. Then you click save. After you have done this, then I can force sync. If you don't force sync, you just wait like after 30 minutes, surely you will see. So I go to Dynamo client socket. I go to the command center, process all upload and process all download. Right? And then you just wait for 10 seconds. And when you go to the front end, just exit everything. And then you just, after 10 seconds, you just double click the touch post. Then you will see your first menu 01, which is the morning catalog shown on your fast menu already. Alright, you see that? So this screen, if you need table, you can do like, for other customers, sometimes we turn off. If you want, you have this table. Otherwise, this one can be turned off. I just close it. So let's focus on the fast menu here. You will see, my first page, I have morning catalog. We can do afternoon, night catalog. And then in my morning catalog, I have drinks, I have rice. Actually, I have salad, but I put in the page 2. So I need to click button down. It's actually here, right? So let's say you order, you see, okay, salad, 13.9, I have veggie salad. And then you go page up, you have drinks, coffee, you have Milo, you have rice, right? So for this video, I will record until here.